Hi everyone, I'm Alan here again. Actually, I'm still very new on YouTube and I hope I can bring much more better video quality and more pneumatic knowledge for you. As you can see this mic here, I've improved on my sound and lighting. If there's any comment for me to improve, don't be shy, just drop me a comment. Alright, for today's topic, I will talk about air preparation unit, many people known as FRL. The full name will be filter, regulator and lubricator. Actually, in this category, there is more product in air preparation unit. There's also Shotoff Valve, precision regulator, precision filter, and also the oil mist filter. For easy understanding, I will separate into three parts. First, I will show you the symbol of air preparation unit. Second, I will be able to show you the hands-on product, how it looks like and the function. Yeah, and the most important will be I will let you know what to take note when you are selecting or using air preparation units. Third will be the simulation on the air preparation unit principle and also how internally it works. So, in end of this video, you will be able to select your preparation unit on your system or pneumatic system in a correct way. Here is the air preparation unit symbol individually. First is water filter, second pressure regulator, third will be the lubricator. How about if using the combination of three FRL? Here is the symbol. In this part will be the hands-on experience for air preparation unit. As you can see at the center, this will be the combination of FRL, and this FRL is from Airtac, and all the company have their own air preparation unit design, but all the principle, knowledge and function will be the same. Actually, air preparation unit is just like a Lego. You just combine them as what you need together. It can be FRL like this, FFL or FFR. Can you see what is the difference from the left and from the right? Actually, filter regulator is the combination of these two. First, I would like to talk about filter. The most important that you see the arrow here. The airflow must flow from left to right. Follow the arrow. There's two types of filter, precision filter or standard filter. The difference will be the element inside, the precision level. Standard will be 5 micron. Precision will be below 1 micron, depend on the company. Some is 0.3, some is 0.1, or your selections. Second, I would like to talk about regulator. Definitely the arrow, you have to follow the arrow, and it is also have two types, precision and standard. The difference of these two will be standard will be 0 to 8 bar. Precision will be 0 to 2 or 0 to 4, depend on your selection or you need. Third, I will talk about lubricator. Normally, lubricator have a small knot on top. There's a digital showing 1 to 8. It represents that how much lubricant you want to go into your system. Lubricator is for harsh environment like higher temperature or heavy duty industry. Fourth, I will talk about Shotoff Valve, but I will show you for the image. Shotoff valve is to shut off the incoming supply fast. Once the shut-off valve is off, it has the capable to exhaust all the internal pressure and free the cylinder. When incoming air supply enters to filter, it will pass through the elements. Particles greater than the micron level of the elements will trap in the filter. Here is the internal of regulator. When you adjust the knot, the internal mechanism will move, and this will result in different pressure. When the air passes through the lubricator, the empty chamber on top will create a vacuum force, so will lead the lubricant into the chamber and drip to incoming supply. For example, most of the problems that you're facing in your pneumatic system will be medium is not clean, water build up in your pipeline, or too much oil applied in your pneumatic system. Above all matter will reduce your pneumatic product lifespan. After my explanation just now, I believe that you have enough knowledge to solve all those problems in your industry or study. Ask you a question. Is air preparation unit important for your pneumatic system? The answer will be yes and also no. Why is it no? Because that if solving the problem in the short term or immediately, for example, the valve is spoiled because of the water build up in your system, you can just replace the valve. Or if the air preparation unit is spoiled and you just bypass it to directly to your valve, you can solve the problem immediately, but actually you do not solve the main problem. Above action will reduce your pneumatic lifespan. Or if you are looking into a long lifetime durable machine or pneumatic system, the answer definitely is yes, because that more purity air delivered to your pneumatic system will bring much more lifetime for your valve and cylinder. If you still have any problem on preparation unit, just drop me a comment. I will help you up to answer it. My next video will be on pneumatic valve. So subscribe my channel and I will bring more pneumatic knowledge for you. Thank you.